Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got a topic that's pretty important for your financial journey: understanding credit scores. Now, we know the term might sound a bit intimidating, but fear not. We're breaking it down into 4 simple secrets that everyone should know. Stick around till the end, because these secrets can really make a difference in your financial life. Number 1. What is a credit score? Let's dive into the first essential piece of financial knowledge: understanding the concept of a credit score. Imagine your credit score as a detailed report card that reflects your financial behavior. It's not just a random number. Rather, it's a 3-digit score that speaks volumes to lenders about your creditworthiness. In other words, how reliable you are when it comes to repaying borrowed money. The magic lies in aiming for a higher score, because generally, the higher, the better. Now, how does this score come to life? Picture it as a compilation of your financial habits, transactions, and repayment history. Lenders use sophisticated algorithms to distill all this information into a single number that gauges the level of risk they might be taking by lending you money. The closer your score is to the top end of the scale, the more likely you are to be considered a trustworthy borrower. Why does it matter? Well, your credit score is a pivotal factor when you want to borrow money for things like buying a house, a car, or even using a credit card. It's like a financial resume that lenders review before deciding whether to approve your loan application or not. The more you understand about your credit score, the better you can position yourself financially. And here's a fantastic tidbit: you have the power to check your credit score without spending a dime. It's essentially a financial health checkup that you can perform regularly. Knowing your credit score allows you to track your progress, identify areas for improvement, and catch any errors that might be dragging your score down. It's like peering into the mirror of your financial life and making sure everything looks as it should. In essence, your credit score is your financial fingerprint, unique to you and crucial in navigating the world of borrowing and lending. So, make it a habit to keep tabs on it, understand how it works, and use it as a tool to build a solid financial foundation. Number 2. The key factors. All right, let's dig deeper into secret number 2, the nitty-gritty factors that hold the key to shaping your credit score. Think of these factors as the behind-the-scenes stars influencing the magical 3-digit number we call your credit score. First and foremost, paying your bills on time is a game changer. It's not just a suggestion, it's a crucial aspect. Late payments can be like little anchors, pulling your score down. Imagine your credit score as a garden, and paying bills on time is like watering it regularly. It keeps things green and thriving. Now, here's another factor that plays a significant role: keeping your credit card balances low. It's like finding the right balance on a seesaw. Using too much of the credit that's available to you can actually work against you. Lenders see it as a signal that you might be stretching your finances a bit too thin. So, aim to keep those credit card balances in check, and you'll be giving your credit score a friendly boost. Next up, let's talk about the length of your credit history. In the credit score world, a longer history is generally better. It's like the trust that builds between old friends. The longer you've been friends, the stronger the bond. Similarly, the longer your credit history, the more insight it provides to lenders about your financial behavior. So, if you've had a credit card for years and handled it responsibly, it's a plus for your score. Lastly, be mindful of the temptation to open too many new accounts at once. It might seem like you're expanding your financial portfolio, but in the eyes of lenders, it can ring alarm bells. Opening numerous accounts within a short period can make you appear risky, like someone trying to juggle too many balls at once. It's a delicate balance between showing financial responsibility and not overloading yourself with too many new financial commitments. Think of these factors as the ingredients in the recipe of your credit score. Each one plays a unique role, and when combined, they determine the flavor of your financial reputation. Understanding these nuances empowers you to make informed decisions, strategically improving your credit score over time. So, pay on time, balance those credit card scales, nurture a healthy credit history, and resist the urge to open too many financial doors at once. Your credit score will thank you for it. Number 3. credit score range. Let's unravel the secrets of secret number 3, where we delve into the vast landscape of the credit score range. Picture this range as a scale stretching from 300 to 850, like a thermometer gauging your financial health. Now, if your score is comfortably nestled in the 700s or above, consider it a gold star. You're in the zone where lenders give you a virtual high five for being a trustworthy borrower. But here's the scoop. If your score hasn't quite reached those pinnacles, don't fret. The real magic lies in understanding where you currently stand and realizing that improvement is always possible. Your credit score is like a snapshot of your financial story, and there are ways to enhance it over time. Let's break down this numerical spectrum. At the lower end, scores in the 300s may signal some financial challenges. It's like a red flag for lenders, suggesting caution. As you climb the scale, hitting the 500s and 600s, things start looking up, but there's room for enhancement. This is the zone where strategic moves can make a noticeable difference. Now, entering the 700s is akin to reaching the sunny meadows of financial stability. Lenders start nodding approvingly, seeing you as a reliable candidate for loans and credit. Once you soar into the 800s, you've practically reached the summit, a financial Everest, if you will. This is where the best loan terms and interest rates await, as lenders view you as a low-risk, credit-savvy individual. Understanding this range is like having a roadmap for your financial journey. It guides you through the different terrains of creditworthiness, highlighting the areas where a bit of attention can yield significant results. It's not just about the number. It's about the doors it can open or close in the financial world. Now, let's talk about how to interpret your specific score. If you find yourself on the lower end, consider it a signal to focus on building a solid financial foundation. This might involve addressing any outstanding debts, making timely payments, and gradually steering your score in a positive direction. If you're in the middle range, the 500s and 600s, view it as an opportunity for improvement. Identify the factors holding your score back. Perhaps it's high credit card balances or a short credit history, and start making strategic moves to address these areas. For those cruising in the 700s, congratulations, you're in the sweet spot. However, continuous vigilance is key. Keep maintaining good financial habits, and you'll reap the rewards in the form of favorable loan terms and interest rates. And for the high flyers in the 800s, enjoy the view from the summit. You've demonstrated exceptional financial responsibility, and lenders are ready to offer you the best deals. Keep up the good work, and you'll continue to enjoy the perks of an excellent credit score. In essence, the credit score range is like a spectrum of financial possibilities. Where you fall on this scale influences your access to loans, credit cards, and favorable interest rates. So, embrace the knowledge of your credit score range, use it as a tool for financial empowerment, and remember that improvement is always within reach. It's not just a number, it's a pathway to your financial goals. Number 4. Checking your credit report. Let's uncover the final secret, secret number 4, which revolves around the vital practice of checking your credit report. Think of your credit report as the in-depth companion to your credit score. While the score is like a summary, the report dives into the nitty-gritty details, offering a comprehensive look at your financial history. Imagine your credit report as a thorough diary that documents all your credit-related activities. It unveils the full story, detailing each credit account, your payment history, and more. This report is not just a record, it's a reflection of your financial behavior, revealing how you handle credit responsibilities over time. Here's the golden nugget. By law, you have the right to access a free copy of your credit report from each of the major credit bureaus once a year. It's like an annual health checkup for your financial reputation. Utilizing this opportunity allows you to stay informed about your credit standing and spot any inaccuracies that might be lurking in the shadows. Now, why is this process crucial? Well, your credit report is the foundation upon which your credit score is built. If there are errors or inaccuracies in the report, they can trickle down and impact your score negatively. Checking your credit report regularly is akin to being the guardian of your financial reputation, making sure it's in tip-top shape. So, What exactly should you look for when reviewing your credit report? First and foremost, examine the list of credit accounts. Ensure that all the accounts belong to you and that there are no mysterious entries that could signal identity theft. It's like going through a guest list for a party. You want to make sure only the invited guests are present. Next, delve into the payment history section. This part of the report outlines your track record of paying bills on time. It's like a timeline of your financial punctuality. Timely payments are the backbone of a healthy credit report and contribute positively to your credit score. Another crucial aspect to scrutinize is the amount of debt you owe. The report provides a snapshot of your credit balances and how much credit you have available. Keeping an eye on this helps you maintain a healthy balance, ensuring you're not overly reliant on credit. Now, let's talk about the personal information section. Ensure that your name, address, and other details are accurate. Any discrepancies in this section could potentially cause confusion and affect your credit report's accuracy. Checking your credit report isn't just about spotting errors, it's also an opportunity to detect any signs of suspicious activity. If you notice unfamiliar accounts or transactions, it could be an early warning of identity theft. Promptly addressing such issues can save you from potential financial headaches down the road. In conclusion, checking your credit report is a proactive step in safeguarding your financial well-being. It's not just about the numbers, it's about understanding the intricate details of your financial story. By staying vigilant and reviewing your credit report regularly, you empower yourself to maintain an accurate and positive financial reputation. It's like having a clear window into your financial world, a tool that helps you navigate the landscape of credit with confidence. And there you have it, folks. 4 secrets to understanding credit scores. Remember, your credit score is a powerful tool that can open doors to financial opportunities. So, use it wisely. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips. Until next time, take care and stay financially savvy.